Okay, no problem. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna explain you about primals of the beef. So, this is called beef. You guys enjoy? This part is called chuck. As in the picture, it's chuck, mostly used for ground beef, burgers, and this part of the chuck is used for chuck short ribs. You know, braised short ribs. It's a really good meat, but only for braising or stewing or grinding. That's the purpose. Next one is the ribeye, most lovable part from most of the butchers. This ribeye has like rib. This is a rib, and you get ribeye from here, and then there is short ribs. So this fancy cuts like tomahawk, cowboy, ribeye steak, all this comes from the rib part. And tomahawk is the most like salt-based steak, the long handle steak, all from this part of the cow. And this a whole thing is called loin or long loin. Then that long loin you divide into two and make it sirloin and short loin. Okay, together it's called long loin. And sirloin and short loin together go long loin. And the short loin, you get strip loin here and a little bit of tenderloin, which you can make as T-bone steak. So when you cut short loin plus strip loin plus tenderloin with the bone, which is called T-bone steak. So this is a good part. The best steak in a beef is tenderloin, which is running under the vertebra of the beef. So which has like very less movement. When the muscles has more exercise, muscles get tougher. For the steaks, you need very tender, soft meat. So in a beef, if you look at the most soft beef is tenderloin, then the rib, the ribeye, and then the strip loin, and then after strip loin, it's called sirloin. You get a steak out of sirloin too. This whole part is sirloin. ESP also has a steak, top sirloin, bottom sirloin, all steaks. And coming to this side, it's inside round. This is round, which is the biggest part of the cow, like legs. And this round has inside round, which is mostly used for roasts and stuff. Like if you have like people function for marriage or something like a roast, they will use the roast beef. That one mostly used inside round here. And then you have a bottom round, and then you have like silver side, something like that in there. So but you get the steak out of this area. So today I'll be talking about steaks, right? All the steaks, mostly steaks, get out of this area because this area has more. This area has more movement and muscles, and it's very like more movement muscles is very tough, which is you mostly used for bracing or stewing. So yeah, we have to talk about brisket, which is mostly used for smoking, and you can use for bracing as well. Plate, also same, stewing, grinding, and flank. These days people use flank for steaks, but it is a harder steaks, harder than sirloin. So I don't prefer, but like you can marinate it, some nice Asian marination, make a steak out of it, would be really good. But a little bit tough. If you are okay with the toughness, you're okay with this one. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a little bit information about steaks.